Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Let me introduce you a new special part, a transportation system for roof transport on your Audi. You can use this she and luggage box, brilliant black, 300 liters on so much models: A1, S1, A3, S3, RS3, A4, and so many more. S4, RS4, A5, S5, RS5, A6, and so all A6, S6, RS6, A7, A8, S8, A8, Q2, Q3, QRS, Q3, Q5, Q7. I think all of them without the R8, Q7, Q8, TT. All of these cars, you can use this awesome and beautiful product, ski and luggage box. Yeah. That is nice. It comes with a big, huge box, as you can see. That new Audi design with improved aerodynamics due to flatter, sporty appearance. The brilliant black roof box with side blades and chrome Audi rings offers room for up to 6 skis with a maximum length of 175 centimeters, or for up to 4 snowboards. That means it is enough space for all of your vacation stuff. The Audi roof box is lockable and can be opened from both sides for easy loading and unloading. And this is brilliant, really nice. You can open it right and left turn. Wow, this is awesome. There is a hang in two hangs in the center, and these hangs can go right and left opening with a particle internal grip to close the box. Audi City Crash tested. Dimensions are length 1902 millimeters. The wide is 630 millimeters. The height is 376 millimeters, and the netto weight is approx 14 kilograms. This is a lightweight. Items supplied: ski and luggage box. 3 securing straps are on board. 4 quick acting fasteners. 2 inner grips, 2 keys, and 1 installation instruction. But you don't need this instruction because you have my channel. But you have to note, it can be only used in combination with basic carrier bars. The maximum load weight of 60 kilograms must not be exceeded. The fitted roof box may encroach into the opening area of the rear lid on some models. When they installed on models with a panoramic glass roof, the panoramic glass roof may not be open. Risk of damage. That thing you have to take. And here you can see this shiny and nice reflection roof. Nice halo, nice look. And there are the rings. Oh, delicious. That is awesome. Really awesome. It is brilliant. It is black. Now, this is black. And in the past, it was available in silver, I think, but this was not so beauty like this black one. And my Audi is black too. That means it matches perfectly. So let's have a look inside. There it is. The key is in my hand. On both sides you have locks to open. Put the key into the lock. You can use it both sides, and then rotate it a little bit, 90 degrees I think. And then you are able to open this box, she and luggage box. And there it is, we are opened. Oh, nice. Inside is so much space for all stuff, for all of your stuff. This is not included. There is the instruction manual. This is not included. This is not included. This is the extra. There it is. These are the things to get it. This was the security straps, and here you can see the hinds. Beautiful two hinds with function of both sides. It rotates on the bottom side to the other side if you will open it at the other side. It is a nice and smart technology inside. There are the two inner grips. This grips helps you to close this box easily, really easy. And on the bottom side you can see these are the quick acting fasteners, and these quick acting fasteners are for the assembling on your roof top. And of course you will need a carrier unit for this box. This is you have to do this on a carrier. It is important to do this because the sea and luggage bot will not hold by using labels or so. But this is a nice and beautiful thing, and it's so sporty, aerodynamic look with this so beautiful black. Oh yeah, let's open it on the right side. This is the opposite side as before. We are using the key again, and let's open it. And you can see the hinds are now rotating to the other side. Good job, hinds. Oh yeah, and it's the same look here. You have it, you use it. Both sides are possible. There it is. And if you're loading inside something, you have to look to sort it. You have to do the package in the center by 50%, at the front 25%, and in the rear is 25% too. And then it's the right load in this box. Yeah, and there's so much space inside, and it looks so nice. Oh, beautiful backside, as you can see, with a little spoiler here. Oh, awesome. I am going to like it. Really nice. This is nice for vacation. Nice for travel. Aerodynamic style. Yes, that it is. Check my assembling video on my channel, please. And there I am going to show you how to assemble this modern sea and luggage box by Audi on your roof of your car. So now let's close it, and we are going to see it in the center again. Oh, shiny. Close it. Now it's locked and secured. That it is. The unboxing is finished. Next time I will show you how to assemble it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time again on my channel. Soon. Boah, she and luggage box. Oh, awesome.